Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the course of International Finance. I am Amreen Khan, Assistant Professor, Institute of Business Study from Cohort University of Science and Technology, Hangu campus. Today, we will talk about derivatives and derivatives market. Today's lecture, our learning objective is what is derivative, need for derivative, participant in derivative market, what is OTC, what is exchange trade derivative market, and classification of derivatives. Let us discuss what is derivative. The term derivative stands for a contract whose price is derived from or is dependent upon an underlying asset. This means that underlying asset could be a financial asset such as currency stock and a market index and an interest bearing security or a physical commodity. As derivatives are merely contract between two or more parties, anything like weather data or amount of rain can be used as an underlying asset. Now we discuss why need derivative for international markets. The main purpose of derivative is to reduce and hedge risk. Many businesses and individuals are exposed to financial risk that they would like to get rid of. For example, an airline needs to buy a fuel to power its airplanes. As a result, the airline is exposed to oil price. How many participants involved in derivative market? There are three main participants involved in derivative market, that are hedgers, speculator or arbiters. What is the role of hedger in derivative market? Hedger use future or option market to reduce or eliminate the risk associated with the price of asset. This means hedger role is elimination of risk for price of asset. What is the role of speculator? Speculator use future and option contract to get extra leverage in betting on a future movement in the price of an asset. It means the speculator gain an extra benefit for a future movement of prices. Arbiters are in a business to take advantage of a discrepancy between prices in the two different markets. Arbiters provide a transparent structure for the price mechanism between two different markets. What is over-the-counter derivative markets? Over-the-counter derivative are those which are privately traded between two parties and involve no exchange or intermediary. Non-standard products are also called over-the-counter derivative markets. The over-the-counter derivative market consists of the investment banks and include clients like hedge funds, commercial banks, government-sponsored enterprises. What is exchange trade derivative markets? A derivative exchange is a market where individuals trade standardized contracts and that have been defined by the exchange. So this means a derivative exchange acts as an intermediary to all related transactions and take initial margin from both sides of the trade to act as a guarantee. Now we discuss the classification of derivative markets. The derivative market is divided into two major categories. One is over-the-counter traded derivative and one is the exchange trade derivative. In a over-the-counter trade derivative is future contract and an option, whereas a exchange trade derivative contain forward contract and swaps. There are some basic terminologies used in this classification of derivative, that are a spot contract, spot price, spot date, long position, short position and delivery price. Let us discuss these terminologies one by one. What is spot contract? Spot contract is an agreement to buy or a sell an asset today. What is spot price? Spot price is the price at which the asset changes hands on the spot date. What is spot date? The spot date is the normal settlement day for a transaction done today. What is long position? The party agreeing to buy the underlying asset in the future assume a long position. What is short position? The party agreeing to sell the asset in a future assume a short position. What is delivery price? The price agreed upon at the time the contract is entered into. Now let us discuss what is forward contract. Forward contract is a non-standardized contract between two parties to buy or a sale an asset at a specified future time at a price agreed today. So forward contract is discussed with the help of example. If A has to buy a share 6 months from now and B has to sell a share worth rupees 100, so they both agree to enter in a forward contract of rupees 104. A is at long position and B is at short position. Suppose after 6 months the price of share is rupees 110. So A overall gained rupees 4 but lost rupees 6 while B made an overall profit of rupees 6. What is swap contract? Swap contract derivative in which the counter parties exchange certain benefit of an party's financial instrument for those of the other party's financial instrument. This means the benefit depend upon the financial instrument. The types of swaps are interest rate swaps, currency swaps, commodity swaps, equity swaps, or credit default swaps. What is future contract? Future contract is a standardized contract between two parties to exchange a specified asset of a standardized quantity and quality for a price agreed today with delivery occurring at a specified future date and delivery date. Since this means such a contract is traded through exchange, the purpose of future exchange institution is to act as an intermediary and minimize the risk of default by either party. Thus, the exchange requires both to put up an initial amount of cash and a margin. What is options? Options is a derivative financial instrument that specify a contract between two parties for a future transaction on an asset at a reference price. So option depend on a reference price. The buyer of the options gains the right but not the obligation to engage in that transaction while the seller incurs corresponding obligation to fulfill the transaction. There are some terminologies used in a options derivative market that are a call option, put option, option price, expiration date, strike price, long position and short position. Now we will discuss these terminologies of option derivative markets one by one. What is call option? Call option refers the right but not the obligation to buy. What is put option? Put option refers the right but not the obligation to sell. What is option price? The amount per share that an option buyer pays to the seller. What is expiration date? The expiration date is the day on which an option is to no longer valid. What is strike price? Strike price is the reference price at which the underlying may be traded. What is long position? Long position refer the buyer of an option assume long position. What is short position? short position, refer the seller of an option assume short position. Now I am conclude my lecture. The derivative market is a financial market for derivative financial instruments like future contract or options which are derived from a other form of asset. The market can be divided into two, that for exchange trade derivative and that for the overall counter derivatives. Thank you.